So compare
Yes, sir.
instructions.
Yes.
Now we will be
Yes.
describe about the, with the help of compare instructions, we are find out the highest number and lowest number from a given data array. Okay, highest number and lowest number from a given data array. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
write
sir.
down, write an assemble language program, WART. Write an assemble language program which is find out highest number from a given data array. Highest number from a given data array. Highest number from a given data array. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Highest number from a given data array.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Assuming length of the data array stored in length of the data array stored in stored from length of the data array stored in 8400H 8400H stored in 8400H stored in 8400H, and the array starting from an array starting from 8500H 8500H. Highest number will be stored in 8600H. Highest number will be stored in 8600H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, another thing, we will be doing the same program, only replaced highest by lowest. Same program, highest by lowest. So there are two different programs. First, we are find out the highest program. Second, same question, only replacing highest by lowest. Remember, you can.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, obviously.
Sir, input. What are the input I'm given?
8400.
8400H. What does it mean? What does it mean?
The
Mala?
the input is 8400H.
Input is 8400H. What is the input?
Hex, sir.
So it is
Length of the data array.
Length
10
of the-
or 0A.
Means
Means that 10 or 0A is stored in 8400H and the data will be stored from 8500H.
means 8500H to how much data will be there?
There will be 10 datas.
Yeah. As the length of the data array stored in 8400H, that is 0A. So the data will be stored from
Yes, sir.
8500H to 8500H.
To 8509.
8509H. So I'm just mentioning the address first. It's clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
No, sir, ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, there is a AB, BC, CD, 78, 94, 56, E2, B5, 9C, 4D. So which one is the highest number, sir? among this number?
Sir,
4D.
4D.
Huh?
4D.
4D.
4D is the highest number. You are getting a big zero.
No, sir.
Sir, CD na?
E.
E2, sir, E2.
E. Yes.
Oh,
E2.
sorry, E2. Yes, E2.
Yes.
E2.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So E2 will be stored in 8600H. It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
All the
Yes,
input you
sir.
stored? You copy all those things? I'm given the number ABH, BCH, CDH, 78H, 94H, 56H, E2H, B5H, 9CH, and 4DH. Sorry, it is a 8DH.
Hmm.
Okay.
It's the
There
complete.
will not be any effect on this. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Can
Yes,
I
sir.
proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Obviously.
Sir, how it will be done? According to the previous day, highest weight among these 10 people, highest weight among the 10 people. So how it will be done? So this is a weight machine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First one side, and there should be roll number 21. Okay. And over here, roll number 15 as well. So who will be the highest weight? Maybe the 15, right?
Yes.
So these 15 coming over here and replacing this 21. So now 15 will be over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, second person's like roll number 27. Okay. See, roll number 27, maybe lesser weight with respect to roll number 15. So simply 27 will be replaced, and Bindu roll number 28. 28 will become. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There will not be any change. 15 will be still over here. Again, Bindu, you know the lesser weight. So Bindu also replaced by Debojyoti, roll number 26. Okay. Again,
Yes, sir.
Debojyoti will be, the lesser weight. So again, Debojyoti will be replaced by roll number SC. What is the meaning of roll number SC?
Apni, sir.
Ami. Very good. So roll number SC is a higher weight with respect to roll number 15. So again, 15 will be replaced by SC. So if weight is a higher, then replaced. Otherwise, simply the next data will be checked. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if I'm given a name is like A and given a name like M. So after the conclusions, after all the done, where you are getting the highest number?
In A.
In A.
A.
Very good. In A. And it should be stored in 8600. That is the ST8600. No problem at all.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we are 9 people over here or 10 people over here. So how many, if 10 people is there, so how many, comparison, this kind of things is done?
So there will be 9 comparisons.
If
But
10 people.
if 10 people, 9 comparisons. কিন্তু আগের দিন আপনি 10 বারই অ্যাডিশন করেছিলেন 00 নিয়ে, এবারও কি তাই করবেন?
এবারও তাই করতে চাই।
আচ্ছা।
এবার কি হলো? There is a big problem. Aniket, is crying so much. Like anything. Roll number 21, Aniket. Why he is crying? Anyone have any reason? Any guess?
No, sir.
तो ग्रेस मार्क देनনি বলে?
नो 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 नो, ফার্স্ট রাউন্ডে হেরে গেছে,
Oh,
আচ্ছা
হি ইজ এলিমিনেটিং ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট রাউন্ড, রাইট?
yes, sir.
আমি ওকে এখন শান্ত করতে হবে।
Yes, sir.
অনিকেত আমাকে এত মেসেজ করে স্যার ক্লাস হবে কি হবে না, আমাকে তোকে শান্ত করতে হবে, ভালো লাগে আমার, আই উইল ভেরি হ্যাপি। কি করে শান্ত করি ওকে?
স্যার চকলেট।
What? আমি এখানে কাউকে চাপালামই না, শুধু অনিকেতকে চাপিয়ে দিলাম এখানে, রোল নাম্বার 21।
হুম
Hmm.
অটোমেটিক্যালি হয়ে যাবে।
He is now vacant.
Hmm.
Now,
Hmm.
who will be win?
অনিকেত
21.
21 obviously win. Then 21 coming into over here. Aniket will be happy. I am also happy. Then
Yes.
there will be 10 comparison will be there.
yes sir
Nothing is means I am given 0 0 over here. Compare with 0 0.
Hmm.
Compare with 0 0. So no problem at all. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Aniket now is happy or not?
Happy?
Obviously happy, sir.
First round, Aniket win the match. So how I am write the program first? First is LXI H comma LXI H comma 8500H. Okay, as all the numbers stored from 8500H, that's why, right?
Yes, sir.
Next is LDA 8400H, stored in B register. Move B comma. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's clear to everyone. So now what are the value
Yes,
of
sir.
B?
The 8400H.
Now what are
The
the value
value
of
of-
B?
the value of b is 0a which means 10
Means the content of 8400H, that is 0H, right?
yes sir
So I will be use this B as a counter, means will be rotate up to V becomes 0.
okay
Okay,
Okay.
next sir, MDI A comma 00H. Why I am doing this one?
to compare the first round
Means Aniket become a win or winner.
yes sir yes sir
Okay, on the first round.
yes sir
So that's why I'm given 0 0. As a result, we will be compare 10 times,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, CMP M. So what will be the compare?
Compared with the memory.
Means A minus M. This will be done.
yes
Huh?
a minus m
A minus.
So if A greater than M, then
carry will be 0
no
z
action.
okay oh yes
Okay,
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
means when it will be done, when carry flag becomes
1
0.
0.
oh this one will be done yes
Carry flag will be 0. Z
Zero.
flag also is 0. If
Z
both
flag
are
is also
same,
0.
if both are same, if any conditions both are same, means Subra and me are same weight. Is it possible? Not possible. But is it possible? Maybe. I'm given a story, nothing in reality. So Subra and
Yes.
maybe my weight basically same. So what will be happen? Anyone you can show, anyone you can show, because both are highest. Means same same weight.
Hmm.
Subra weight is 153, my weight is 153. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in that particular case, either Subra or me, there is no problem at all. So I am not talking about the A is equal to M. Next, if A less than M, mean M is a higher with respect to A.
A.
What will be
Hmm.
happen?
And carry
carry
flag will be 0
1.
and
One.
get to
Carry flag will be 1.
1. In this
One.
carry flag will be 1. Why, sir? I told yesterday that there will be a borrow. Concept of borrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, then what will be happen? Content of M will be copied into the accumulator. That is the action. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Content of M will be copied into the accumulator. So same, just imagine this case. Whenever this one is higher with respect to that, means in the first case, whenever A is 0, 0 and roll number 21 is over here, then 21 will be coming into the accumulator, right? Means the content of M will be coming into the accumulator. When M is a higher with respect to A. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
So, sir, if carry flag is set, then there is a function. We should be do something. If carry flag is reset, we do not do anything, right?
Yes, sir.
There is a no
Yes,
action
sir.
if carry flag is 0. Means if carry flag is 1, then there is action. So we are using jump at not carry. If carry flag is 0, then we will not doing any functions. If carry flag is set, then what will be happen? Move A comma M. If carry flag doesn't set, then I'm jump from this line to that line. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
carry
sir.
flag is set, means this condition is not satisfied. Coming into this line, memory location content will be copied into the accumulator. If carry flag is reset, then jump to this location to that locations, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be happen over here? INX H. Why, sir? Next time we will be compare with
Another.
next memory locations content.
Next memory location.
memory locations. That's why INXH. So what will be the content of the INXH after the instructions?
8500.
85
0.
after INXH.
85018.
01.
8501H. Because
Yes.
previously it is 8500H. So after INXH, it should be increased by 1. So 8500 plus 1. So
Yes, sir.
8501H.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
One conversion is done, that is the DCRB, and then is JNZ double star. Means until B becomes 0, this procedure will be going on and going on and going on. So after that, where the result is stored?
The result is stored in the accumulator.
Accumulator. It should be stored in which memory location?
8600H.
8600H. Program is ended.
Yes.
HDL. HLT, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, my second questions, how we do for smallest number. This is for highest number. There should be certain change in my program and it will be become for the lowest.
The lowest number.
Tell me.
So jump at carry.
Huh?
I think here we have done the jump at not carry.
Yeah.
That would be jump at carry.
Means in that particular case, these no actions will be completely wrong. Here,
Wrong.
A will be replaced by M. And here should be no action. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what will be changes?
Only
Jump and carry.
jump and carry. JC.
JC start,
Start.
but there is a wrong. In where? Sir, I am doing nothing. You will be say everything. I will not say anything. My teaching style is totally different from the others. Program is wrong. But why? Any clue? Any doubts?
Sir, give me a few seconds.
There is a certain mistake.
Yes, there has to be. But where?
Sir, when I apply the jump and carry, then when I not compared to memory location.
No, it is comparing, na? It's always, whenever I am using CMPM, it's always doing the same, A minus M, nothing else. So this condition is correct. And JNC will be JC, it's also correct. Anyone have any answer? So I am giving the answer. Sir, what should be your answer? In the lowest number? Tell me.
5, 5, 5, 6.
That is the lowest
56H.
number.
5,
But
6.
instead of 56H, you will be seen that the output is 00H.
Oh, because the first we have taken 0, 0. Yes, 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 yes. So sorry.
These 00 should not be there. It should be
MBI, 0, 0.
FFH.
SSH.
Yes.
It should be FFH. Then it can be find out the lowest number.
Yes, 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 sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed for the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's an interesting one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a homework.
Writing down the memory locations and the hex code.
No, it's a common. It's common for everywhere. It's already I told. It's not a homework. I will not repeat once again. I'll repeat
Okay.
once again. One questions. Write an assembly language program which is find out. Sorry, which is add highest and lowest number from a given data array, assuming length of the data
So
array
write an
program
assembly language program.
which add two numbers stored in
Mm.
85 sorry. Repeat once again, anyone. Write an assembly language program which is add two
To add highest
highest
and
and lowest number, add highest and lowest number from a given data array, assuming length of the data array stored in 8400H stored in 8400H. Array starting from 8500H. Highest number stored in 8600H. Highest number stored in 8600H. Lowest number will be stored in will be stored in 8601H. Result means addition result, obviously. Result, you can write down in the bracket additions result. Result stored in 8700H and carry stored in 8701H.
The addition result will be
stored in 8700H and carry in 8701H. If this is the same program, then there should be a E2 and 8601H will be 56. Okay. And 8700H will be addition of these two, and 8701H will be, if carry occurred, then carry. E2 plus 56, what will be the answer? 8, 14 plus 5, it's 19, 19 is 16, so there is a 3 and a 0, 1. So it will be the answer. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Question is clear to everyone? Same questions, length of the data array is 0A, these are the data. Highest number will be stored in 8600E2, lowest number will be stored in 860156. Addition of these two, that is a 138, so 38 will be stored in 8700H and 01 will be stored in 8701H.
স্যার
Yes, sir.
স্যার বলছিলাম আমি একটা প্রোগ্রামে দুটো কন্ডিশন ইউজ করতে পারি তো? অসুবিধা তো নেই? সিএমপি যদি দুবার ইউজ করি আমি?
Yeah, you can use, but you can write down highest program, then lowest program, then addition program.
ওকে, তাহলে তিনটে সেপারেট করবো, তাই তো?
Not separate, one after another.
হ্যাঁ, সে তো অবশ্যই একটা
There
প্রোগ্রামে
should not be halt.
ওকে ওকে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই অবশ্যই।
যা করতে হয় করো।
ঠিক
এবার
আছে।
এটাকে ছোটও করা যায়। এটা this is the long
হ্যাঁ,
procedure. It can be
ওইটাই
short.
ওই জন্যই জিজ্ঞেস করলাম।
How it should be, you find out. Why I find out.
না স্যার,
You know everything. I know little bit. Right? So you can do. I cannot.
স্যার উল্টোটাই বললে।
তোমরা তো স্টাডি করছো। I cannot get any time to, study and all. But you have enough time to study and all. So how I will be know better than you? Is it possible? Devajyoti, it is possible?
স্যার আপনার অলরেডি সব পড়া হয়ে গেছে,
Yeah.
আমরা এখনো
এখন তো স্যার শিখছি, আমরা পড়ছি, আর আপনার তো হয়ে গেছে অলরেডি কমপ্লিট সব কিছু পড়া।
Devajyoti, you are from Bengali medium?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ক খ সব মনে আছে?
হয়তো বলতে পারবো, কিন্তু বলতে গেলে একটা দুটো মিস হয়ে গেলে সম্মান চলে যাবে।
এইটাই তো হলো কথা। So you are forget, so I can also forget, na?
You can also forget, that's right, but you did not.
So how it's possible, sir? It's not possible at all.
It is possible. So, sir, you remember the hex codes also?
Yeah, only a little bit, one or something like that.
No, sir.
Hex code never you can remember. It's a, I cannot give a big boja on you that you can carry always. Never remember. Never. I already told you. Microprocessor is just you learn the logic, nothing else, nothing else. No remember, no remember. Next, there is another program, highest number, lowest
স্যার
number. Yeah.
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল
Yeah.
স্যার, তাহলে হেক্স কোডটা মনে রাখার কোনো লজিক আছে? মানে এত বড় তো হেক্স কোডের চার্টটা, সেটা কি অবস্থা তাহলে মনে রাখবো?
Not required. I already told you, no? Not required,
আচ্ছা
sir. Not required. Because it's available with the examinations. So why you remember?
আচ্ছা
Why you carry a big, heavy weight, 100 kilo? Which is
Yes, sir.
not required at all. Every faculties and every maximum teachers, whenever I also taking my classes, they are also told that timing diagram, what are the machine cycles required, what are the t-state required, you should be remember. But I told never remember. You should know the logic, you should know the formula, then you can create it. You cannot remember. Remember is not possible at all. Say if whenever I am taking an interview, I'm taking several interview for different companies as well as for my colleges. I ask the students, say I am asking the student like that, what are the machine cycle required for LD 8500 or what are the machine cycle required for STA 8500. Someone says that STA 8500 is very simple, opcode fetch, memory read, memory write. Someone has said, sir, STA 8500. So it's a 3-byte instruction. So opcode fetch, memory read, memory read. And another data is copied from, accumulator to memory location. That's why memory write. So it's a opcode fetch, memory read plus memory read. So I will be select those persons. What will be happen? Another thing, I cannot ask the different questions to you also. Because if you are given the answer fluently, so I can imagine that you are you are just remembering and given the answer. You don't have any logic. You can remember kind of things. You don't have any kind of logic. You don't have means talent or something like that. You just remember. You can do. So I will be asked different questions. I will be asked third question, fourth questions. You will not be get the you may not be give all the answers. Maybe 1 and 2 you will be left. But if I am elaborately I am given the answer for the single questions because it's in my field, so I will be engaging them and getting the time as well as whatever I can do. He or she can able that he can do everything. He have the intelligence. He doesn't have the memories only. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you should be do something like that whenever you are doing given the interview and all. Not saying the directly answer. If you know the 2 + 2 = 4, you cannot say. Sir, whenever, just like remembering that whenever I am doing the timing diagram, STA 8500, I told STA, remember hex code is XY. But I know the hex code of STA is 32, but I am not mentioning. Why, sir? Because as it is not available in the questions, so examiner maybe think that he remember all those things. So he just, remembering or copy from a particular sheet and pasted over here in the examinations.
Yes.
So I'm just find out it is XY and I'm given the according to that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm find it out that this is nothing but a XY. Anyone can show the instruction set. I want to explain you some rotation instructions. If you have, you just share with that.
Okay.
Okay, before doing the same, I explain you from auxiliary carry flag. Tomorrow I will be explain this one, auxiliary carry flag. Sir, auxiliary carry flag, you can check directly. There is an instructions.
No, sir.
I am doing the same thing. Auxiliary carry flag. You
Yes, sir,
can
we
recall
cannot.
this picture.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Whatever I say,
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
There are no
auxiliary
direct
carry flag I
methods
can
from
check.
No,
with no
no, sir.
methods or
No,
It is
sir.
not
Very good.
possible to directly check.
We cannot check directly like these kind of instructions. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's checked by indirectly. The instruction is DAA. No need to write is because I already given the notes, so it's all available in your notes. Just listen very carefully. It's a very important DAA. Full form of DAA, decimal adjusted accumulator. Decimal adjusted accumulator. What does it mean? Sir, I want to add 35 and 56. 35 and 56. Sir, what will be the result? According to the decimal,
91.
5 plus 6 is 11.
91.
199.
91.
According to hexadecimal, 5 plus 6, 11 means
B.
B,
1 B, yes,
8B.
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 So how 8B will be converted into the 91? That's the, challenge. So I'm given another example. Say 96 and 95. Sorry, 99. 98 and 98. 98 plus 99. What will be the answer?
197.
7. Then
19. 197.
197. Over here, it says 17. 17 means 16 subtract. So 1, carry 1.
Carry 1.
19 plus 9 is 18 plus 1, 19.
19.
19. 16 subtract 3, 131. So how this 131 will be converted into the 197? Right?
Yes, sir.
By the instructions like DAA. Listen very, very carefully. It's a very, very important instructions. It's the only one instruction which is checking the auxiliary carry flag indirectly. Which is checking auxiliary carry flag indirectly. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are the functions? Like it's check, primarily check. There is a two reasons. This is a 1A. This is a 1B. Either 1A or 1B. Or 2A or 2B. Next, what are the formula? First, it's check whether auxiliary carry flag is set or not, is equal to 1 or not. Okay? Or it check lower nibble, NIBBLE, lower nibble greater than the 9 or not. Lower nibble greater than the 9 or not.
Okay.
Both the cases, if anyone is true, then add a 06 with the result. Then add 06 with the result. Okay?
Yes, sir. But why we add the 06?
I will be tell you. Next, carry flag is set, yes or not. If one, it will be checked. Or higher nibble greater than the 9 or not? If any one cases is true, then add 60 with the result. 06 with the result and 60 with the result. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question is 6y. Because after 9 in decimal, what are the result?
A, B.
Huh? 10.
10.
A, B.
And
A, B.
10. In decimal it is 10.
Yes.
In
Decimal
hexadecimal, after F,
AB.
what will be the result?
It will be
1.
10.
10. What does it mean in decimal? 10 means
In decimal, it means 16.
16. So 16 minus 10, what are the gap?
6.
6. That's why 6. Similarly for higher nibble also. Let's see what are the answer of first one. 8B.
8B.
So 8B. This is a lower nibble. This is a higher nibble.
Hmm.
Sir, lower nibble greater than the 9?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Add 06 with the result. Sir, higher nibble greater than the 9?
Hmm.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
9 से छोटा है, बड़ा नहीं है, sir.
Yes, sir.
Add in hexadecimal form. B means how much? 11. 11 plus
11.
6, how much?
17.
17 means 16 subtract
15 subtract 1.
1. Carry 1.
Carry 1.
9.
That's 1, 9.
91. What are the result?
91.
Sir, auxiliary carry flag set when? Forget. Sir,
Auxiliary
you
carry
are read hard, sir. I am read very, limited. Carry generated in lower nibble. That will be passes into the higher nibble. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set.
Yes, sir. Carry generated in the lower nibble.
If carry generated after the addition of these two number, and that will be passes into that particular over here, then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Means auxiliary carry flag set होता है जब ये नंबर ऐड करके कोई कैरी आएगा. ये दोनों नंबर जोग करे यदि कैरी आसे, then auxiliary carry flag set है. Is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
over here carry flag is set.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, carry flag is not set. Auxiliary carry flag also not set. Auxiliary carry flag set when? After addition of these two. Carry generated.
No, sir.
Then carry flag is set.
No. Carry is occurred over here.
No.
Then also carry flag will not be set. Right?
Yes.
So basically, after addition of these two, carry flag, auxiliary carry flag is set. Okay?
Yes,
কি
sir.
বললাম আমি ডেফিনেশন, এই দুটো যোগ করে যদি ক্যারি আসে দেন অক্সিলারি ক্যারি ফ্ল্যাগ উইল বি সেট. এইগুলোকে যোগ করে যদি ক্যারি আসে, এই যে ক্যারিটা, দেন ক্যারি ফ্ল্যাগ ইজ সেট. ইফ ক্যারি অকার ইন এনি অ্যারিথমেটিক্যাল লজিক্যাল অপারেশন দেন ক্যারি ফ্ল্যাগ ইজ সেট.
Carry flag is set.
So result is 131. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Result is 131. Sir, auxiliary carry flag is set. Condition number 1A.
1.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir.
So add 06. We will not check the 1B. As 1A is true, so we will not check 1B. It's never possible that both the cases is okay. Either 1A or 1B. Either 2A or 2B.
Okay.
If 1A is true, so no need to, check the 1B.
1B.
Okay. Next again, carry flag is set. Sir, 131, this 3-digit number. So carry flag is set or not?
Set.
Set. So again, 60 with the result. Okay.
Okay.
So 6 plus 1, 7.
7,
6 plus 3,
9,
9. And 1, 197.
197.
This is called magic. It's clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear to everyone? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
So DAA is used to convert any kind of, after additions, it's convert into the hexadecimal form. Sorry, in decimal form. So after additions, we always use the DAA for, decimal additions, for decimal addition and all. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I will be taking the classes from 4 p.m. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow is not possible for 2 p.m.